How's it going?
Good.
Good. So I think we should talk about something pretty important, and that's boaters' etiquette on the water.
Yeah, what you got?
What I have is really important, and one of the main things I want to talk about is following too close when someone has a surfer or a wakeboarder or an inner tuber behind the boat. A lot of times I'll see this when a boat is towing a surfer and then some guy not paying attention follows right off their wake, or someone on a jet ski is jumping the wake. It's really easy for a rider to fall off and for accidents to happen. So if you do notice that someone is towing a rider, a surfer, a wakeboarder, make sure and give them lots of space. Don't follow in their wake. Don't jump the wave in a sea-doo. Just give them lots and lots of space. Another thing I really like to pay attention to is my music volume, especially if you're out for that dawn patrol surf or ski. If you're out at 6, 7 a.m. and you have the best stereo system on your boat, we love it, but it is nice to make sure you're not bumping your tunes in those wee hours of the morning. So just, think of the other people out there.
Because it travels too. The sound definitely travels. Those are great tips. I would also say with wake boats, just not doing the same passes in front of the same houses.
Yep.
Because the boats are throwing such big wakes. So giving people plenty of space is another big one. Like if there are really few boaters, you don't have to go right next to the fishermen on an early morning. You can kind of work your way around. No wake zones, giving people plenty of space, and then boaters wave.
The boaters wave.
Boaters wave's really important.
It is.
What's your wave?
It depends on my mood. On my mood. If I'm feeling good, I'm feeling a little spicy, and I might throw shaka.
You don't go like this?
I'll go like that from time to time. If I'm on the steering wheel and I'm not feeling maybe just, one of these.
Okay.
One of those.
I'll see you on the water.
I'll see you on the water.
Sorry.